This video will show you how to use the Product Manager app. First, select the product fields you wish to edit. You can select as many as you want, and then select the collection you wish to use. You can also use all products. Now you can edit any of the fields below, and then click the update button to apply the changes. You can update SKU, price, discount, weight, assign an inventory. If you wish to disable inventory, you can put a hyphen in there. Decide if you want the product to be visible or not, and assign it to any collections that you already have. You'll notice SKU editing is not available for products that have managed options. Once you click the update button, you will see a confirmation below with the number of products that were updated. You can also use pagination if you have a large number of products, and select how many should be displayed in each page. You can select a different collection, change the fields that you want to edit, and click Show Products again. Editing a description will make the page a little bit bigger, which is why we recommend not using it with all the other fields at the same time. Options can be edited for all products that are not using managed options, as well as color groups at this time. You can edit value name, you can add new values and rearrange them by dragging and dropping. You can also add new option groups and values. Once you are done, click Update, and you can see the changes reflected. You can also enter description, edit all of the description, and delete products by ticking the box to delete product on the left side. Thank you very much. We hope you enjoy our app.